Hi, Gita Garcia here with IH10 Realty. I'm sending you this report to all my individual clients or all my clients who have lived in 78254. I have so many clients that live in this zip code, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised when you see the values and how everything's increased. And this is a really good report because it's up to date. It's only from April 1st to today. So it's kind of amazing how you can see so much information in just two and a half weeks. So if there's any questions you have about this report, please send me an email. Let me know. I will try to be sending different reports with different zip codes so that each of my clients who live in different areas can actually see what's going on in their zip code. Now, if you're interested in wanting to know what your value is today, I can also send you something a little bit more specific to your neighborhood. And it's a report here. It's called the market review, and it'll go basically based on just your neighborhood. Now, when it comes down to actually getting an actual figure, more accurate, more pinpoint figure, of course, I would need to go see the home, get an idea of what upgrades you've done, the condition of the house, and that kind of thing. But for the most part, right now, you can at least see what the zip codes are doing. So if you see the zip codes doing really well, I mean, you're going to notice that on so many zip codes that I'm going to be sending over. Values have gone up so much in the last year to 2 years. So this report will be really good as a starter. But if you want me to get more in depth with your neighborhood, I can do that as well. It doesn't take very long. This will come in the mail to you. It'll have everything more specific to your neighborhood. So let me know if you're interested in wanting to know that. Most people want to know, maybe because they want to refinance. Most people want to get a home improvement loan, want to take equity out. That's another way. Or if you're looking to actually sell to move to the next house, where I can show you how to do that so that it's very streamlined, less stress. And then, of course, you can move to that new home with having a pretty sizable down payment. So anyway, hope you enjoy this report. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, send me a text, or give me a call. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.